Good morning, students. Today we'll start morphology of flower. Flower is a highly condensed and modified reproductive suit. The part from where the flower arises is called bract. Flower has short or long flower stalk, which is called pedicel. The upper part of pedicel is swollen, spherical shaped or conical, which is called thalamus or receptacle. There are different types of flower. Complete flower, when the calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium, all the four holes are present, that flower is complete flower. Incomplete flower, flower with one of the four hole is missing, that flower is incomplete flower. Bisexual flower, both gynoecium and androecium, means the male and female sex organ present in same flower, such flowers are known as bisexual flower. Unisexual flower, androecium, that is a staminate flower, or gynoecium, pistillate flower, any one of them are present in the flower. Means if androecium is present, means the male sex organ is present, that flower is a staminate flower. If the female sex organ gynoecium is present, that is a pistillate flower. Monoecious plant, when both male and female flowers are present on the same plant, like Cocos, Ricinus, Colocasia, G. eclypha. Dioecious flower, when male and female flowers are present in separate plant, example mulberry, papaya. Polygamous flower, when unisexual male or female, bisexual and neuter flowers are present on the same plant, example mango, polygonum. Monocarpic plant, the plant which produces flowers and fruits only once in the life, pea, mustard, bamboo, agave. Polycarpic plant, the plant which produces flowers and fruits many times in life, example pear, mango. Now see the types of flower on the basis of symmetry of flower. Actinomorphic flower, that is radial or regular, when flower is divided by any vertical plane into two equal halves, then it is called actinomorphic flower, as in the case of mustard, China rose, dhatura, chili. Zygomorphic or bilateral symmetry flower, when the flower is divided into two equal halves only by one vertical plane, then it is called zygomorphic flower, example pea, bean, gulmohar, cassia. If it is divided to two equal halves from median plane, then it is called medianly zygomorphic, as in the case of osimum, that is tulsi. But if it is divided into two equal halves by lateral plane, then it is called laterally zygomorphic. Asymmetrical or irregular flower, when the flower cannot be divided into two equal halves from any plane, then it is called asymmetrical flower, as in the case of canna. Now see the types of flower on the basis of the position of ovary. there are three types: hypogynous, perigynous and epigynous. Hypogynous condition, when petals, sepals and stamens are situated below the ovary, ovary will be superior, as in the case of mustard, China rose, brinjal. Perigynous, peri means around, gynous means ovary. In it, thalamus grow upwardly and form a cup-shaped structure. Gynoecium is situated in the center and the other parts of flower are located on the rim of the thalamus. Almost at the same level, ovary will be half superior, half inferior. Example is plum, peach, rose. And the third type of flower is epigynous flower, and that condition is epigynous condition. The margin of the thalamus grows upward, enclosing the ovary completely and getting fused with it. The other parts of the flower arises above the ovary. Ovary is said to be inferior, as in the case of guava, cucumber and ray florets of sunflower. Now see the major parts of the flower. Calyx. The outermost hole of the flower is called calyx, that is generally green in color. Each member of this hole is called sepal. When all the sepals are free from each other, then it is called polysepalous condition. Means the sepals are free, not fused, as in the case of mustard, radish. When the sepals are fused each other, then it is called gamosepalous condition, as in the case of cotton. Dhatura. Corolla is the second inner hole, that is generally in different colors. The second hole of flower is called corolla, and each member of it is called petals. When all the petals are free, then it is called polypetalous. While petals are fused, then it is called gamo. When petals are fused, then it is called gamopetalous, as in the case of brinjal. Now see the different arrangement of the petals. Polypetalous, cruciform. 4 petals are present in it. The lower narrow part of the petal is called claw, while the outer broad part is called limb. Petals are arranged crosswise. Example, radish, mustard. Caryophyllaceous. It contains 5 petals. The claw of petals are short and the limb of petals from right angle to the claw. Example is dianthus. Rosaceous. It consists of 5 or more petals. Claws are absent in it and limbs are spreaded regularly outwards. Example, rose, coconut. Gamopetalous. Campanulate. 5 petals are arranged like bell, as in the case of tobacco, raspberry, campanula. Funnel shaped or infundibulum, funnel like petals arranged. Example, dhatura, railway creeper. Tubular. Petals are like tube, as in the case of disc floret of sunflower. Aestivation. Aestivation is the mode of arrangement of sepals or petals in floral with respect to the other member of the same whole is known as aestivation. It is of following types. There are 5 types. First is valvate, second is twisted, third is imbricate, fourth is cunical, and fifth is maxillary. Perianth. When there is no distinction between calyx and corolla, the whole is described as perianth. Means fused sepals and petals is known as perianth. Individual perianth segments are called tepals. Green tepals are called saploid and colored tepals are called petaloid. Tepals are free, polytepalous or fused gamotepalous, as in the case of Liliaceae and Gramineae family. Liliaceae is the family of onion and Gramineae is the family of grasses, wheat. Androecium is the male part of the flower. It constitutes the third whole of the flower and is made up of one or more stamens. Each stamens consist of filament, anther and connective. Each anther is usually bilobed and each lobe has two chambers, that is pollen sacs. The pollen grains are produced in this pollen sacs. Length of stamen, didynamis. When 4 stamens are present, out of them 2 are long and 2 are short, that is called didynamis condition. Example is Labiatae family. Tetradynamis, when there are 6 stamens and they are arranged in 2 holes. In outer holes there are 2 short stamens, while inner holes there are 4 long stamens. This condition is called tetradynamis, as in the case of Cruciferae family. Cruciferae means mustard. Now see the fourth and the innermost holes of the flower, that is a female sex organ, that is gynoecium, and one is known as pistil or carpel. It is the fourth and second essential holes of the flower. It is female part of the flower comprising of the inner holes of megasporophylls in the form of carpels bearing ovules. It consists of 3 parts: ovary, style and stigma. Ovary is the enlarged basal part on which lies the elongated tube, the style. The style connects with to stigma. If only one carpel is present in gynoecium, this condition is called monocarpellary. If more than one carpel is present in gynoecium, this condition is polycarpellary. If all the carpels in polycarpellary or multicarpellary condition are free, then condition is called apocarpous. If the carpels are fused together, then condition is called syncarpous. Placentation. The ovules are attached on ovary walls on one or more cushion called placenta. The arrangement of ovule within ovary wall is known as placentation. There are different types of placentation. Marginal placentation is found in unilocular ovary. The placenta forms a ridge along the ventral suture of the ovary and the ovules are borne on this ridge forming 2 rows, as in the case of Leguminaceae, means the family of pea. Parietal. This type of placentation is found in unilocular syncarpous ovary. In it, the ovule develops on the inner wall of the ovary or on peripheral part. Ovary become bi or multilocular due to the formation of false septum, as in the case of Cucurbita. Cucurbita is the family of pumpkin, cucumber. Argemone, Cruciferae family, that is mustard. Superficial. This type of placentation is found in multicarpellary syncarpous gynoecium. The ovules are attached on the walls of locule, as in the case of Nymphia, that is lily, lotus. Axial placentation. It is found multicarpellary syncarpous gynoecium, the fusion margin of carpels grown inward and meet in the center of the ovary. Thus, an axis formed in the center of ovary. Thus, ovary become multi-chambered. The ovules are born at the central axis. Number of these chambers are equal to the number of carpel, as in the case of potato, China rose, onion, lemon, orange, tomato. Free central. This type of placentation is found in Syncarpus gynoecium. In it, the ovary is unilocular and the ovules are born on the axis. In the center of the ovary, septum are absent in ovary. Placentation is exiled in beginning. After sometimes walls of chamber destroy and only ovulated central axis left, as in the case of primrose, dianthus. Basal. The ovary is unilocular and a single ovule is born at the base of ovary, as in the case of marigold, sunflower, Asteraceae family.